Preventive maintenance is crucial in managing a plumbing system efficiently. It helps in averting potentially expensive and inconvenient emergencies by ensuring all components are in good working condition. Regular checkups allow homeowners to catch small issues before they escalate into major problems, promoting longevity and reliability in plumbing infrastructure. Early detection of issues, such as minor leaks or slight corrosion, can significantly cut down the costs of repairs, as it's often cheaper to fix small problems early on. This proactive approach not only saves money but also prevents the stress and damage associated with plumbing failures. Regular inspections for leaks in your plumbing system can prevent significant issues down the line. Recognizing the early signs of leaks, such as moisture or discoloration on pipes, faucets, and toilets, is crucial. A practical method for detecting toilet leaks is the dye test, where a few drops of food coloring in the tank can reveal hidden leaks if the color appears in the bowl without flushing. Additionally, regular scrutiny under sinks and around appliances is advised to catch any unnoticed moisture or drips, ensuring minor issues can be addressed before turning into major problems, thus maintaining the integrity of your plumbing system. Keeping drains clean without the use of harsh chemicals not only protects your plumbing but is also environmentally friendly. Using natural substances such as baking soda followed by vinegar can effectively unclog and deodorize drains. This combination causes a fizzing action that helps dislodge buildup without damaging pipes. For tougher clogs, a manual plumbing snake is a handy tool. It can reach deep into pipes to remove obstructions physically. These methods not only preserve the longevity of your plumbing systems but also avoid the introduction of toxic substances into the environment, making them beneficial both for your home and nature. Regular inspection of plumbing pipes is essential to identify aging or corroding materials that might require replacement to forestall bursts and severe leaks. Pipes, depending on their material, such as copper, PVC, or steel, have varied lifespans and susceptibility to certain types of wear. For instance, copper pipes typically last up to 50 years but are prone to pinhole leaks as they age. Signs of deterioration include discoloration, flaking, and visible rust. Recognizing these indicators early can save homeowners from costly water damage and extensive repairs, ensuring the plumbing system remains efficient and reliable. Seasonal plumbing maintenance is crucial for preventing weather-related damages. Preparing your plumbing for winter is vital. Insulating pipes can prevent them from freezing and bursting, a common and costly issue in colder months. Methods such as applying foam insulation or heating tape are effective. Additionally, draining outdoor faucets and disconnecting hoses protects exterior plumbing. As the rainy season approaches, ensuring your sump pump is operational is crucial to handle increased water levels, preventing floods in basements and crawl spaces. These preparatory steps can save considerable expense and inconvenience, safeguarding your home regardless of the season.